Hi everyone, today we are comparing Mullvad VPN versus Proton VPN, and we're going to be choosing which one is better for privacy. So let's just begin. Now, if you talk about first of all, let's just say streaming, Proton VPN works well with Netflix and other platforms. Mullvad isn't ideal for streaming. So in this scenario, Proton takes the lead. Now, if we talk about security, both use top grade encryption and supports WireGuard and OpenVPN. Proton adds secure core multi-hop via privacy-friendly countries. So seems like Proton is winning again. Now, if we talk about speeds and servers, then Proton VPN has more servers worldwide and usually offers faster speeds. Mullvad has fewer servers but still performs well. Talking about ease of use, both are simple to use. Proton VPN offers more features while Mullvad keeps it minimal and private. Talking about pricing, Mullvad is flat €5 a month. Proton has a free plan and paid plan starting at $4.99. So clearly, for the pricing point of view, our Proton VPN is gonna be winning. Now, finally, the big question: privacy. Mullvad is ultra private, no email needed, anonymous payments, and strict no logs. And Proton VPN has strong privacy, backed by Swiss laws and open source apps. So in this case, I think Mullvad is going to be taking the lead, which is the question: which one is better for privacy? So the final verdict is going to be choose Mullvad if privacy and anonymity are your top priority, and you can go with Proton VPN if you want privacy plus extra features like streaming, a free plan, and more global servers option. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if you have any question, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.